Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to increase touch sensitivity on this device. So to do that, you should just go into the settings application and then scroll or just tap to the display section. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see the touch sensitivity section, and just to increase the touch sensitivity of your screen, just tap here once on the switcher, and as can you see, that's it. That's really simple. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.